we can make a beautiful, delicious Christmas tree with just mashed potatoes and broccoli. Save this recipe now so you can refer back anytime you like in the future. Cook potato in salt water and steam broccoli. Once cooked mashed potato with sieve and buffalo skimmer. Then season with butter, basil, herbs, and grind pepper. I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, yeah. Follow my channel now, and when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you. If you are willing, please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. Wrap mashed potatoes with food wrap. Shape it into Christmas tree shape. Bottom should be wider. Deco with broccoli, cherry tomato, and bell peppers. Sprinkle remaining bell pepper and cherry tomatoes on plate. Hope you like this recipe. Merry Christmas to you.